starting by cleaning the scene. Delete the default cube, camera and light. Add a new mesh cube. Add a subdivision modifier. Extrude the top. Scale the other sides to get the basic shape of a head. Add a mesh sphere and scale it around the head. Do some early sculpting to get the approximate shape you want. Keep blocking the rest of the body shapes with mesh cubes. For the legs, add a mirror modifier and set the head as mirror object. Add the same mirror modifier for the arms. You can directly copy the modifiers by selecting the arm, then Shift selecting the leg. Then click Ctrl L and copy modifiers. Add a perfect sphere for the eyes and copy the mirror modifier the same way. Add a cube for the ears. Add a subdivision modifier with 2 subdivision levels. You can achieve so with the shortcut Ctrl plus number 2. Add a cylinder for the nose. Add a circle for the belt. Finally, add the last mesh cube to make the hands. Congrats! In the next episode we'll model the details to get the character we want.